Right. See, now the quality is good. Beautiful. There it is. Okay, so now, as long as it's plant, I want to go look at the banana one real quick, and then we go to the next one. Because that one looked great. I want to see if they... I want to see these two. Well, I don't think they gonna eat. That looks like the female. Her beak is a little different color. Okay, cool. So that's the yellow-throated toucan. Now, let's go on to the next one, okay? Which I picked the green honeycreeper. Now, here is our version. Shout out to Jeff. The doc, he called it the green honeycreeper, okay?